my heart and soul. My hope's heavenly abode. My love, my heart and soul. My hope's heavenly abode. Soothe the fierce sun's blaze. In the fire, your warm embrace with your scented tresses. I yearn to entwine this dreadful night and the Milky Way. For the sake of your gentle smile, I dissolve the lightning in water by setting it aflame, and cast the rain-filled cloud to the wind. I'd send the ocean's waves to the firmament and lay the stars down upon the earth. My love, my heart and soul. For just a single sweet word from your lips, I break all the conventions of the whole world. But alas, the times now demand otherwise. I see my fragrant land trampled and torn, my wealth, my treasure, all plundered and lost in this paradise-like homeland of mine. My people live in hellish destroy. No green field for my children to play, no cool shade for our mothers to lay. Streams of blood flow everywhere, flowers face the harshest trail ever. In such a time when tyranny reigns everywhere, how can I write an ode to your beauty, my dear? How can I string together the pearls of words even a while and extol your gentle, ever-enchanting smile? My heart and soul, my hope's heavenly abode. In such a time when tyranny reigns everywhere, how can I write an ode to your beauty, my dear?